Hey guys, welcome to Onemaker Studio. The hottest trend is creating free AI cover songs, with thousands of people already using just an internet connection and a browser, using AI to reimagine popular songs with new voices. And in this short video, I am going to show you a super easy way to create any song cover using anyone's voice like this.
It's been 24 hours, I need more hours with you.
To this,
We spent the weekend better than home.
and also like this.
Spent the late nights making things slide between us.
And now it's all good, babe. When I'm backward, baby.
With that said, let's start. Generate AI cover songs with Singify. Head over to Findshare Singify and sign up for a free account. Sign up and instantly receive 2,000 credits for creating song covers, allowing you to make 10 covers for free. Click on Create AI Cover Song. Just choose your AI voice model. Then upload or record a song or paste a link. Click on Continue, and in a few seconds, it will generate a wonderful cover song.
24 hours, I need more hours with you.
You can download it from here. Download your masterpiece as an MP3 or share it with friends on social media. I just converted this Maroon 5 song into I Use Voice, and I love it. Generate AI music video with Onemaker.io. Say goodbye to boring pictures and hello to amazing, dynamic visuals for your AI-generated music. Now, what can be better than being able to generate a free music video for your AI-generated cover song? It's a fantastic online platform that lets you craft professional videos for various purposes like music, podcasts, Spotify, logos, and more. And the best part? It has free options too. Plus, with 3 resolutions tailored for different social media platforms, I'll demonstrate 3 different kinds of music videos that you can create using Onemaker.io. Head over to the Onemaker.io website and log in. If you're new, you can sign up for a free account. Once you're in, click on Free Projects. Now, choose a template for your free music video. I'll go with this one. Click on it, and it'll take us to the editor page. Here comes the fun part. On Onemaker.io, you can customize nearly every element to make your video unique. Adjust text, color, font, and even add animations. You can also upload a video file or a pre-edited clip of your choice, up to 100 megabytes. Next, let's go to Advanced Settings. This is where you'll upload your AI-generated music from Part 1. Just click here to do so. Once everything's set to your liking, and hit Export or Update, adjust the music path for 20 seconds preview. In just a matter of seconds, a video preview will be generated. Take a look at the result. If you're satisfied with the preview, you can proceed to create a full-length HD version by clicking Make Full-Length HD Video. Or if you want to make further adjustments, you can go back and tweak things. Using Onemaker.io, let me now show some music video template previews. These belong to the trendy lo-fi category. Check out these AI album artworks, just as on trend as lo-fi. And finally, these are music visualizers, a timeless choice that never goes out of style. Onemaker.io, your go-to solution for hassle-free professional videos. And as you can see, AI cover songs are not only fun and easy to make, but also very popular and viral online. And now you can join them too. And if you want some more easy-to-follow editing tutorials, just like this, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you the next time.